Are you familiar with the 2025 Acura MDX cluster display and dashboard warning indicators? Wondering how to interpret the various symbols and alerts? In this guide, we'll explore the key features and how to respond to dashboard warnings for a smoother driving experience. If we talk about its interior, the dashboard offers sleek design and advanced user-friendly technology. Acura MDX features a sophisticated display and digital instrument cluster for seamless access to driving information. Climate control system provides dual-zone comfort, maintaining ideal temperatures for both the driver and passengers. Camera control adjusts settings for optimal visibility and functionality. Steering wheel offers ergonomic design and advanced controls for improved comfort and a seamless driving experience. Air vents are designed for efficient airflow, keeping you cool and comfortable in every drive. Instrument panel. This visual index highlights key controls and features, from the vehicle stability assist and intuitive driver information interface to the convenient power tailgate and available heated seats. Cluster indicators. Automatic brake hold indicator. Automatic brake hold system indicator. Parking brake and brake system indicator, red. Malfunction indicator. Lamp charging system indicator. Parking brake and brake system indicator, amber. Shift position indicator. Transmission system indicator, seat belt reminder indicator. Low fuel indicator, anti-lock brake system indicator. Supplemental restraint system indicator, electric power steering system indicator. Vehicle stability assist off indicator. Low tire pressure, turn signal and hazard warning indicators. Lights on indicator, high beam indicator. Auto high beam indicator. Cruise mode indicator. Adaptive cruise control with low speed follow interval. Security system alarm indicator. Lane keeping assist system indicator. Safety support indicator. Auto idle stop indicator. Auto idle stop off indicator. Auto idle stop suspend indicator. Fog light indicator. Low temperature indicator, M sequential mode, indicator. Sport plus mode indicator, system message indicator. Sport mode indicator, comfort mode indicator. Lift mode indicator, snow mode indicator. Normal mode indicator. Safety precautions, know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use an OBD2 scanner for diagnostics. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Thank you for watching.